Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by ensuring both devices are ready. Update their operating systems and sign into the same account so authentication is smooth. Once done, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices. These services handle discovery and direct connections. Make sure iTunes or Finder is installed on the laptop or the proper iPad driver on Windows. Now connect the iPad with a cable for the initial pairing, because wired setup often resolves permission prompts that wireless alone cannot. You should now focus on establishing a stable link. When the iPad asks to trust this computer, tap Trust and enter your passcode. That authorizes file and sync access. On a Mac, open Finder to select the iPad, or on Windows, open iTunes. If you prefer wireless, enable Wi-Fi syncing in the device summary so the iPad appears over the network. Alternatively, use AirDrop for file transfers or Sidecar if you want the iPad as a second display. Each option serves a different workflow. You finish by testing the connection, transfer a small file, or start a quick sync to verify permissions and speed. For Sidecar, adjust display arrangement and touch options so the iPad behaves like a secondary monitor. Make sure the iPad is unlocked when connecting. If things go wrong, first reboot both devices, try a different cable or USB port, and reinstall drivers or update apps. If problems persist, disable VPNs and firewall rules temporarily, because network filters often
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.